No, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body says, my mind, and my body. My body says, my mind, and my heart.
What's up, lovelies? Welcome back to my channel. Once again, I have another Amazon slay, and I will have the link down in the description box as always. This wig was $189. Some of the details on this wig is that it is 16 inches. It is a 13 by 6, so a lot of parting space, lace front, HD Swiss lace with a fake scalp. And what the fake scalp is basically a sheet of like some type of lace. I don't know really what it is, but it covers the knots. And with the knots, you don't have to bleach them or anything. It's all the work is done for you with the fake scalp. One thing I do want to note though is that the fake scalp is pretty light. So what that means is that if you have a darker scalp, this fake scalp might not work for you specifically, because the skin tone of the fake scalp is a bit light and it fit my skin tone pretty well. So I just want to give you guys a heads up on that. If you don't know who I am, my name is Mckinlee Brooke. I make fashion vlogs, hair, beauty, that type of content. So if you're interested in that type of content, don't forget to head on over to my channel, click that subscribe, like, all those buttons. It helps me so much. I have so much content coming y'all way. I just cannot wait for you guys to see it and for me to really push out this content for the new year. If you have any questions about this hair, please do comment them down below. I respond to all of my comments. And yeah, y'all, keep on watching if you want to see how I installed this and how it turned out in the end. It was a very easy, quick install. I did use the glueless method. I will see you lovelies in the next video. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social medias. Bye guys.
Got a lot of people banking on me. Tell me why these niggas always hating on me. Coming home, they be waiting on me. Like jump on my dick, all that faking on me. Like, oh goddamn, that's a bitch that I want. Oh goddamn, dollars all in my front. Like 7 a.m., I was fucking your love. 11 a.m., so that bitch right in front. Like, oh goddamn, that's a bitch that I want. Oh goddamn, dollars all in my front. Like 7 a.m., I was fucking your love. 11 a.m., so that bitch right in front. Like, fuck nigga, like, can you leave me alone?
some pieces. We in trouble, but you wanna meet me at the bridge. It hurts and feels too slowly. Did you forget where your lives? Oh my body, body, you want my body, body. I can like them with nobody, you won't make me call somebody. What about my body, body? What about my body, body? You would rather go and party somewhere I'll be money. No, I ain't skipping alone, but you said that you would soon be home. Baby, that was a long time ago. I'm not feeling it. Top up, you're not calling me back. See, I bet you think it's all a trap, and you're acting like it's all a rap. I'm not feeling it. Let's go, let's go. It's time to go, let's go. Let's go. Let me show you how I'm left to complete the lines from the flash. Keep straight and you'll see the sun with their reflection in one direction. Like it can't see, it just seems that you don't care. Body, 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 beating like we got somebody. What about my body, body? What about my body, body? You would rather go and party somewhere I'll be mine. I ain't sleeping alone, but you said that you would soon be home. Baby, that was a long time ago. I'm not feeling top, but you're not calling me back. See, I bet you think it's all a trap, and you acting like it's all exciting already. Let's go, let's go, let's go. It's time to go, let's go. You don't want no more, let's go. No more getting it, I'm not feeling it. I'm taking back the things I got from you. And that includes my sweet little nookie too. Let's go, let's go, let's go, little kitty, kitty, kitty. Ain't no want you anymore. No. Let's go, let's go, let's go, little kitty, kitty, kitty. Ain't no want you anymore. Time is on my way. Since 16, I'm coming down on illnesses. How you going with this? You was just a hot place. You could call Tyrone, wake up so loud, green. What about my body, body? What about my body, body? I'm in the house all alone. You rather go and party. What about my body, body? What about my body, body? I can look up nobody. You won't make me call some. Let's go, let's go. It's time to go, let's go. No more getting it, I'm not feeling. Let's go, let's go. It's time to go, let's go. Let's go. No more getting it, I'm not feeling it. I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you.